Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the lights on the Cox Panoramic Modem and what they actually mean in 2026. So first of all, we need to understand why the modem lights matter. So the lights on your Cox Panoramic Modem tell you the connection status, the signal strength, and the possible problems. So once you understand them, troubleshooting becomes much easier. So here on this particular section, if you see a solid white light, it means that everything is working properly. Your modem is online and it is connected to the Cox network. So this light that you want to see, if the white light is blinking, it means that the modem is starting up or reconnecting. Now here, if you see this type of green light, it usually means that the modem is trying to connect. So this happens during the startup or after a restart. So you can wait for a few minutes because this is often normal. If it stays green for a very long time, there may be a signal related issue. Now here, if you see the orange or the amber light, it typically indicates a connection problem. This can mean the weak signal or the service interruption or network related issue. So you can restart the modem if you see the orange light. If you see the red light over here, it usually signals a major problem. So the problem can be relating to the international internet signal or the account issue or the network related outages. If you see the blue light over here, it simply means that the modem is in the WPS pairing mode. So this is used when you are connecting the devices without entering a password. So you need to understand that it is not an error. So if the lights are stuck or look abnormal, you can just simply unplug your modem, then wait for 60 seconds, and then you just have to simply plug it back in. So this is going to fix many temporary connection related issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.